In this video, I'm going to show you how to send files using Dola AI. Now, to actually send files inside Dola AI, you want to open a chat. I'm just going to open a new one over here, and then you want to go to the bottom right, tap on the plus button, and from here you can see it says files over here, like in the third button. So you want to tap on files, and from here you basically want to find the files that you want to send to Dola. So I'm just going to select this tutorial PDF over here. There we go, the PDF is in here, and then you have some suggestions you could do. For example, summarize this doc in detail, summarize this doc briefly, etc., or just ask it your own thing. You could do, for example, I want you to analyze this, and for example, like sum up all the numbers inside the doc or whatever. I'm just going to type in this one, which is summarize this doc briefly, and what's going to happen, it's going to start reading it, and there we go. As you can see, it says there's just some placeholder text, and that's literally how you do it. Okay, so that's how to send files using Dola AI to actually kind of read, manage, analyze, or whatever you want to use this for. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.